Hello, my name is Muhamad Khairul Syakliman bin Muhamad Sharudin. This is experiment about the heat transfer in our daily life. What is heat transfer? Heat transfer is the exchange of thermal energy between physical systems. The rate of heat transfer is depend on the temperature of the system and properties of intervening medium through which heat is transferred. The three fundamental modes of heat transfer are conduction, convection, and radiation. Heat transfer, the flow of energy in the form of heat, is a process by which a system's internal energy is changed. The direction of heat transfer is from a region of high temperature to another region of low temperature. So, look at this. At the base has a vapor, so it has a convection mode. This is a radiation mode in a heat transfer, and this is a conduction in the heat transfer. What is mean by radiation? Radiation is energy transferred by electromagnetic radiation. Convection is energy is transferred by mass medium of molecule, and conduction is transferred by direct contact. So, in this experiment, that involves the three of fundamental modes in heat transfer. So, to look the process of convection in the experiment, we put the syrup into the water. Look at the syrup we transfer to another place. So this all about experiment about the heat transfer in our daily life. That's all.
My name is Muhamad Azim bin Muhamad Roslan. Okay, for heat transfer from hot to cooler things, the difference in heat conduction by various materials is seen in use very often in our daily life. For example, look at the roasted chicken. The movement of passing of hot from the fire to the chicken. In this lesson, we are dealing with heat or hot from the fire. Radiation is the method by which the fire's energy reaches to the chicken. Conduction is the direct transfer of movement of hot and energy from molecule to another molecule by conduction. For convection, is the organism's motion or movement of large group of molecules based on their relative density or temperature. For radiation, put your hand near the fire and think what about it feels. Is it hot or cool? Can you feel your hand absorbing the fire's energy and heat? We are experiencing radiation, or the method by which the fire's energy reaches the roasted chicken. The fire's energy travels in wave. That's why we feel the fire's hot. We are feeling the fire's energy or wave touching and warming up our hand surface. For conduction, the direct transfer of movement of warmth and energy from one molecule to another molecule by conduction. For example, the fire which grill. That's why you feel hot when you touch the grill.
Name is Aiman, Sharudin, and Ayob. For our daily life heat production and conversion, I will give you an example from the car. So this is the car engine. This is the radiator, and this is the engine. So for our daily life, when we drive our car for a long period, the engine will get hot. If the temperature will get a high temperature, it will damage the engine. So the function of the radiator will reduce the heat from the engine, which is the radiator contain water, which is a great conductor. So when we drove the car for a long period, the engine will get hot, and the heat will be transferred to the radiator by the fan. So this is the fan. As you can see, it has two fans which will extract the heat from the engine to the radiator. So the radiator will keep the engine cool, reduce the heat. So that is why a car can drive for a long period of time. Other than that, a motorcycle doesn't have a radiator, a cooling engine is also named as cooling engine. So the motorcycle can be drive for short time, for 2 hours, and we have to stop and let the engine cool down. But the car can drive for a long period of time.
Convection is energy is transferred by mass motion of molecule. balloon with water inside it. Okay, let's watch what happened when we put this balloon with no water into the ladder. Okay, other than that, okay, this balloon with water. Okay, let's see what happened. It's no change. It's remained the same before an experiment. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Heat conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat through solid materials. Thermal conductivity is the measure of how fast a material conducts heat. The opposite of conductivity is resistivity, or insulating value. Metals like aluminium or iron conduct very well, that is, they are good conductors and poor insulators. The rates of heat transfer by conduction depends on the conductivity, the thickness, and the area of the material. It is also directly proportional to the temperature difference across the material.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aishah Anuar. Today I want to show you one example of conduction. This is iron and this is cup. Guys, this heats from this iron